Hi entrepreneurs! Namiss niyo rin ba ang paborito niyong dessert during high school or college days? Here's our take on the famous Ginumis dessert using inJoy Mango Milkshake, Cream Puff, Whipped Cream, and inJoy Mango Gulaman. Madali lang to gawin. First, mix 250 grams of mango milkshake powder into 1 liter of water. Once the powder is fully dissolved, add in 1 cup of your prepared cream puff floater and mix well until the mixtures are fully incorporated. On the other hand, you can also use inJoy Fan Frap whipped cream and mix it to your inJoy Mango Milkshake mixture. Just add in 1 cup of prepared whipped cream to your mixture and mix well. Once all the mixture are fully incorporated, pwede na ito i-transfer sa Tupperware or container. Now freeze for at least 6 hours or overnight. We actually compared these two mixtures at for us, better kung ang imimix nyo sa inyong milkshake ay ang prepared cream puff floater. Mas smooth at maganda ang texture after freezing. After freezing the mixture, cut it into cubes or small pieces and blend a bit since frozen siya to achieve that super smooth and creamy texture. Let's now add in our inJoy Mango flavored gulaman and transfer our Ginumis mixture in a cup. We can also add sliced mangoes. At para mas enticing at nakakatakam, mag-add pa tayo ng mango gulaman on top and inJoy mango syrup. And that's it! Super creamy and delicious Ginumis-inspired recipe using inJoy products. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye!